Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or how to disable the silent mode on your TEEHO door lock. So if you are tired of hearing the keypad beeps every single time you lock or unlock the door, the silent mode can definitely make your lock much quieter. So here is how you can do it. So first of all, you need to simply touch the keypad or press any of the buttons in order to wake up the lock. After doing so, you just have to simply start by entering your master code. After entering the master code, once it is accepted, the lock will be entered into the programming mode. So you just have to wait for your next command. Now, you need to access the mute or the silent mode function. So many TEEHO keypad and the fingerprint locks, including the TE001 and TE002 series, include dedicated mute mode feature that controls the keypad sounds and the operation beeps. So to turn the sounds off, you just have to simply select the silent mode option and then you just have to confirm the change. So once it is enabled, the lock will continue to function normally, but the keypad tones and the confirmation beeps will be muted. So if you want to basically disable it, or if you want the sound back, you again need to enter into the programming mode and then return to the same settings. Now this time you just have to select the sound on or disable the silent mode depending on your model. Then the lock will restore the normal keypad tones and it will also basically be using the confirmation beeps. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.